What's up, guys? Welcome back. All right, this whole week is new tickets. So I have the new $1, $2, and $5 tickets. So I have 10 of the new ones, Cash Explosion 5X, 10 of these in a row, and I have tickets 000 through 009, 10 of the newest Cash Explosion 10X, 10 through 19, and then 5 of the newest $5 Cash Explosion 25X, 000 through 004. We'll start with the ones. Like I said before, the last time I played new tickets, this is the only time you will see me play $1 tickets. Odds are 1 in 4.53. Prizes range from $1 to $500 on this, and you can get an entry. So we have a television show where if you get an entry and your ticket is drawn, you can possibly go on that television show and win fabulous prizes. 3 prize amounts when that prize shown, or 2 identical prizes with a 2 or a 5X, or 3 entries, and you could possibly get on the show if they draw your specific ticket. Come on, let's go. We got 2 $1 up there. Come on, let's go. Nothing. First one's a dud. I'm gonna do it slanted. Let's go. We got an entry, so we got a possibility of getting on the show. All right, and you just submit it through the app. You got to keep the ticket, I think, as well. So we got an entry on the second ticket. Nothing on this one. And nothing on ticket number 3. Come on. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. One's going pretty good. We got $2. I don't think we're getting anything else. $2. We're on the board with cash now. Cash. All right. I'll take 20 on a $1 ticket. No. Ticket number 6. We get $1, so we got $3 back so far. This is a, let's see, 10, 30, $55 session. So we got $3 in an entry back so far. Nope. 2 more $1 tickets left. Thank you guys for being here. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know if you guys are new. Nope. All right, on to the 2s. 1 in 4.19 are the odds. What is that? Reveal a cash symbol, win all 10 prizes. So that's the win all. That's really cool. All right. Reveal a 5 10x multiplier in your numbers, multiply it. Reveal an entry, get up. You have a possibility to get on that TV show that I was talking about, winning numbers to your numbers. Multiplier is a 5x. If we win 17 or 2, that's what we're looking for. So it's either going to be a 5 10x over here, maybe a 1x, or an entry. That's my guess. That is the guess. All right. 14 or 7. No. Ticket number 11 was a dud. All right. Ticket number 12. 25, 24. Come on. I'm gonna find something. Yep, I knew they were gonna have a 1X. Can we find a win all? Manual win all? Or a cash symbol? Come on. Show me that cash. 1813. Nope. We found an entry. That's what the entry looks like. So we get another entry drawing. All right. Make sure you guys keep these tickets too if you do find an entry, those of you that are from Ohio. 29 and 9. Nope. Another 1X. Come on, let's find some cash. 1813. We got a few tickets left, and that's it. 2028. Finally. Ooh, we got two into 28. We got 4. $4. And that is a normal win on the $2 ticket. Yep, right there. $4. Alright. I'll take it. What do we got? We got 4 plus an entry. 5. 7. $7 back and 2 entries. I don't think we're gonna find a win. We found another entry. I think once you find that entry, it's over. 22 and 30. Yeah, we got 3 entries. Making a mess. 27-16. Nope. So we get $7 plus 3 entries. There's a 10x. Come on. 12 and 26. One off. Nope. All right, up to the $5 ticket. Let's go. Possibly multiply it up to 25 times the price with a fake multiplier. We got 5 of these. 000 through 004. Odds are 1 in 3.77. Prizes range from $5 to $150,000. I think the coolest thing about this ticket, it's got a $2,000 prize amount. In my opinion, I don't remember the last time they had a. I remember the last time they had a $2,500 win, but not a $2,000 win. All right, 5, 10, 25x are the multipliers over here, or an entry. The only symbol down here is a star for an automatic win. Winning numbers to your numbers. 18, 24, 15, 37. And I got some big, higher numbers on this ticket. 16, no, we got 15. We got an 18. What are we? It's a 5x. Times 1. There's the fake multiplier I was talking about. All right. $5. So we got $12 back out of 55. All right. There's another 5x. 31.11, 28.30. Nope. Nope. All right, ticket number 2. Making a mess over here. Come on, let's go. Let's find a star. Come on. Let's find a big win. start these new tickets off right. 12. No. 35. 16. We got 15 and 17. And an 8. We got an 8. With a 5x. With another dollar. We got $17 back. Alright. We'll get a 1x. 38, 35, 39, 40. One away. All high numbers. No. Can we win on 3 out of the 5? That'd be really cool on these $5 tickets. Last ticket. Let's go. 34, 17, 14, 16. Come on. Let's win on the last one. 36, no. 20, 31, 7, 28, 37, 38, 11, 3, and 26. Negative. It was a 10x. We did not win. That's alright. Alright, so we got 17 out of 55 spent. Oh well. At least we got something back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.